This is a JEVIT CAT.7 cable, which I purchased at everbuying.net. This is an excellent cable. It is 33 feet in length. It is a Cat.7 cable. Provides great noiseless transmission, very fast internet connection speed, and very great reliability through the gold contacts on the cable. As you can see on the end of this one cable which I have in front of me, it shows the gold plated contacts on the cable. You can see them on this side and also on the underside of the cable. Again, this is an excellent product. I purchased it at everbuying.net. The price was fantastic. Worldwide, you cannot find a better price than everbuying.net. Their shipping is extremely fast. Coming from China, that is an excellent way that they have of shipping it, which makes it come to your home extremely fast. I believe my delivery was within 10 days of the purchasing date, including Sundays. Once again, this is a 33-foot LAN cable. It's Category 7 Internet Network cable, 33 feet in length. Excellent for connecting to your network, to your router, and extending the length of your network in general. Thanks for allowing me to review this product. Again, I purchased it at everbuying.net. If you Google that company, you can find it. They have lots of great deals on their website, and they allow you the opportunity to review their products. Thanks again.